good, YouTube? It's a great day. Welcome to Road to 10K. Today is day 16, and yeah, man. Today we made $270 something dollars. I'm not sure how much we made today. We made around 270, something like that. As y'all can see, here goes the profit. Now we are $500, the most we've ever been in profit. So we're making progress every single day. We could have cut out these two losses, as y'all know. We talked about how I'm not trading on Mondays anymore. This loss was very avoidable as well. So and I know exactly what I lost in this day, so that's very good. This day one, and I know Mondays are just not the best days to trade, so I will be sitting out Mondays from now on. So just be trading 4 days a week and but resting Saturday, Sunday, Monday. But I do have the trade I took right here. I was not home this morning to take the trade, so I took it on my MacBook. But I did record it for y'all, so I can come on here and show y'all exactly what I took. So as you can see, we're in a higher low trend right now. Clearly the clearest trend I've ever seen. But so that made my bias very bullish for the day. As you can see, market opens in about 7 minutes. Let's get to it. 3 more minutes. So around here, market open. And we did inverse this 5 minute, which would have set us up nicely for a play. But we got an even better play. So as you can see, market open. We went up and manipulated up a little bit more, and then we came down. And I was about to take this 4 minute inversion, but I said to myself, I wanted to see this low get swept right here, as y'all can see. And later on, that did end up happening. We didn't even get the 4 minute inversion, which I'm very glad. But as you see, we swept out this low. We had a lot of trend line, as y'all can see right here. Boom, boom, boom. And I expected us to take out at least all of this, or just 2 of them would have been nice too. Just wanted to see us sweep some lows before we started going up for the day. ES I already know we were targeting New York highs on ES because we have an SMT right here that we need to fulfill. ES was marching at this point, so it just went with my bias a little bit better. We had a 2 minute gap that was going to be formed in, I think, around 15 more seconds. Boom, we have the 2 minute gap, and we have a 4 minute right there. We have a whole bunch of unfilled spaces in these gaps. Not in these gaps, but a whole bunch of what's the word for it? Dang, why can I not think of it? Okay, anyway, we have a lot of unfilled gaps, but there's another word I'm looking for it that sounds a little bit more smart than unfilled gaps. It's not unmitigated, but they are unmitigated technically, except the 4 minute. But we have a lot of it's not filled. So we had a 2 minute, and then we created a 3 minute. So I wanted to see us go at least touch into them, see what type of response we get out of them. And as you can see, we came up after we swept this 1 hour high time frame, went up, had a crazy rush to the top. We had these 2 highs that we could target. My break even was going to be London highs, and I went ahead and hopped in around here. So boom. We have 12 seconds left, 7 seconds. Let me show y'all my execution. As you can see, we did inverse this 2 minute gap. I was very confident in this. ES is pushing ES was gone. So with that being said, I went ahead and hopped in, put my break even down here. And as you can see, we're in it to win it now. We're going 1-to-1. Break even line is London highs. We did go in crazy drawdown for we almost got stopped out. We was like 30 ticks away from being stopped out. As you can see, 236. Mind you, the trade was going to 270, so this would have been a very bad. But I did end up moving my stops to this 5 minute manipulation candle, just to be a little bit more safe, risking around $20 more just to be safe. And I'm willing to risk that. And as you can see, ES started pushing up. We flipped the script. Now we're $44 in negative, and soon to be in profit. As y'all can see, boom, we're pushing up. Mind you, if y'all can listen to this whole this video, I will release it if I get one person that says I want the video. But this is a private YouTube video. But I was not worried at all when we was in drawdown. You're going to be in drawdown on some trades. I did a lot of replaying where I was almost stopped out and then fully went to my TP. And that's exactly what happened today. So I would never be worried in drawdown. Just a little bit of pullback before the push, because the market always wants to manipulate. And you have to think, it's play mind games. So you don't want to let it get into your head. You want to know, okay, boom, I know what I see. I know what I like. I hopped in this trade for a reason. This, that, and the third. But as you can see, we're up $131. We go break even on the trade. Now we are in a risk-free trade. Let's work. as you see now, we're pushing up. I thought we would show. We also had a 4-hour key level on ES that was targeting, which was also New York high. So it was just clear as day where we wanted to go in the market today. We had this 15-minute gap. We showed a little bit of rejection, but look at the close on this next candle that we get. Round right here. We close inside the gap and we inverse that 5-minute. At this point, I know we're going to TP. New York highs is yet to be taken on ES, but I think we take it around here. We're up $245 in profit, and not too long later, we did get our TP, and that's $273 in the books, man. But very good trading day. This is a start to a run. We're gonna go on a streak this week. Cut out the Mondays. If we cut out the Mondays, we would have been 3-1 last week. Cut out the Monday to this week, we would have been 4-1. Or we're gonna be 4-1. But if we would cut it out, we would have been 4-0, which is great. But yeah, man, there's not too much else to say. Discord link is in bio. TikTok link in bio. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be live streaming tomorrow at 9:15. Come check me out. Just trading the live market. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, not too much else to say. I'll show y'all the account balance one more time. And boom, as you can see, up 500. This is the most we've ever been up. Boom, boom, boom. You see, we draw down. We was at 531. We was at 493. So now we're up $7 since fucking, what was that, Monday I lost and it came in the other day. Boom, 430 or lost this, went to 189, 431. Now 223. Now we're at 5,500. Yes, sir. But thank y'all so much for coming out. I am gonna start posting 3 more videos a week doing psychology. Let me show y'all some of the videos I will be doing. Give me a second. Just like some psychology videos. This is the one I was watching yesterday. Yeah, hear that. Which made me really realize that I want to keep watching this. It is Marcus Aurelius, How to Build Self-Discipline. I took some good notes on it. If I can, my book is over there. But I do want to start making videos where I'm telling y'all, we're watching the video together, we're taking notes together, where I'm giving my thoughts on the video, this, that, and the third. And I think that would be a great thing just to add, more consistency to my uploading. It just, posting 2 videos, 3 videos, posting 7 videos already a week, plus 3 more. That's 10 videos a week. That is great progress, and one day someone will notice the grind I am putting in. But thank y'all so much for coming out. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Love.